30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I can hear the south wind moan. Those people getting home, and those red boats are coming home. But the old man down in the corner, he slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and these are the words he said. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane around every June. With a high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. A man came down from Chicago for the set the land is right. It's gonna be 3 feet higher if they can make it through the night. But the old man down in the quarter said, don't listen to that boy. That water beat down by morning, he'll be back in Illinois. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, it comes around every June. In the high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. 30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I can hear the south wind moan. That bridge, it's getting lower, all the street bumps are coming home. Like the old man down in the corner, he slowly turns his head. He takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, these are the words he said. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, it comes around every June. In the high black water, the devil's daughter's heart, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody told her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her it takes a lot.